when news broke in that Vash won National Award, I was like, have we opted for that? Madhu sir texted me that congratulations on winning National Award. It's a huge thing. Very happy for you. Proud of you. You go, girl.
Can we say that Vash Level 2 is also going to translate to Shaitaan 2 maybe?
Might be, but in a different way, I think.
Rashmika Mandanna,
she was
doing so well for herself. You shared a room at that time.
Yeah, we did share the room.
What was your first impression of her?
She's exact same person that she is right now, by the way. That will be quite an honor for me, just to be there at the stage where Shah Rukh sir is there, Rani ma'am is there. Love Story 2050, Hamam Babeja.
Oh my God,
your face
has become pink.
I used to write his name on the back of my book. Herman.
Really?
Yeah. When Life Gives You Tangerine.
Oh yes.
I cried like anything.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Anything. I mean not just teardrops. I'm crying like
sobbing. Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titas Chowdhury in conversation with National Award winner Janki Bodiwala. Hi.
Hello.
It has not sunk in yet or what?
Not yet.
Really?
जब भी सुनती हूँ एक बड़ा सा पत्थर या कुछ फील होता है मुझे अपने शोल्डर पे and I don't want to feel that.
But how have you celebrated it? I mean, this deserves a celebration, come on.
It absolutely does. I'm just waiting for 27th of August.
Yeah, nothing
a big celebration we all are going to have.
Yeah, great. But tell me more about it, Janki. So early on in your career, winning an honor of that level. Actors, they finish decades, and they still look forward to getting something like that. You received it so early on. What was going on in your mind?
It was a big surprise for me because the kind of film that Vash is, we don't expect. We haven't thought about that it will get an award, especially on state level or national level. So the day when news broke in that Vash won National Award, I was like, have we opted for that? And because Vash, I felt that Vash was something different, and I'm not that much. मुझे तो knowledge नहीं थी कि national level का criteria क्या होता है, क्योंकि मैंने सुना था because of a Gujarati film has won best film in 2019 national award में, तो I thought कि ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. So I never thought that Vash will be there, वैसा. And the day the news broke in, I screamed कि ये मतलब क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ? And I'm very thankful to the National Film Award Committee for considering Vash and for awarding the film and for celebrating regional cinema like this on national level.
True, absolutely.
It was like a Vash day for us.
I saw Ajay Devgan sir had posted something, for you.
Very
so
gracious of him. You.
Did he, him or, Madhavan sir or Jyotika ma'am, did they reach out to you?
They did message me. Yeah. Madhu sir texted me that congratulations on winning National Award. It's a huge thing. Very happy for you. Proud of you. You go, girl. That was really sweet of him. Ajay sir mentioned me in his story, which was a huge thing for me. Jyotika ma'am was there. Everyone. And I was everything was sinking in कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है Vash won award or the second news within few minutes I got to know that Vash has won 2 awards.
Yeah.
The second belonged to the actor committee, and oh my God, it was quite a day. And on the very same day Vash Level 2 का release हुआ था trailer.
Yes,
the very same day in the morning.
Right.
Level 2 का release हुआ trailer. And the response we got from the audience was quite mesmerizing. Everyone was so intrigued by the trailer. They were like, oh my God, we do want to watch it right now. We'll go for first day, first show, वैसा. And वो अभी हम ले पाए, and
it feels unreal, no?
And by the evening we got another news related to Vash. Oh my God.
No, so that's what I was getting into. It beautifully coincided with, Vash Level 2 releasing. I'm sure, the audience's expectations, from level 2 has also increased now. I'm sure the same can be said for the team, you all. Do you feel that pressure somewhere that, we have to live up to the first film?
Not at all.
Wow.
Because I've read the script. I know the script. I've seen the footages. I'm not in pressure. I am confident about it. I am confident about it.
Lovely. That's lovely to hear.
And और ये confidence वैसा नहीं है कि यार चल जाएगी वैसा. This is something that is from inside. क्योंकि the day I read the script of Vash Level 2, I remember कि इससे better part 2 हो ही नहीं सकता फिल्म के लिए. The way the story goes merges with the Arya story, Pratap story, new characters are involved, and there are like part 1 में you see one Arya, in this level 2 you'll see 200 Aryas. मतलब आप देखिए, ये सिर्फ level 2 लिखा है, इसके पीछे 2 0 ऐड करना बाकी है. And the way the girls have performed, there are new characters who have done a tremendous job in the film, and just I can't wait for the audience to see the climax.
I know that, Janki, you cannot reveal too much about your character. I completely get that. But, I have read you saying somewhere that part 1, though, of course, was emotionally intense. But this was also, it's like so much more emotionally taxing and grueling, level 2. What can you tell us, where did this character take you? Tell us about all the dark zones this character took you to.
सबसे पहले तो Arya cannot talk, she cannot hear, or she cannot eat, drink. She can't do anything. She's just that in a stage where she is almost paralyzed. Is like a paralyzed person. So, but she's alive from inside. She can see everything. She can feel. I think she might have lost the touch also. Because it has been 12 years. उसके बाल चले गए. There are no vitamins in the body. She cannot move or anything. So, but she's alive from inside. You can see that through her eyes. And to portray that through my eyes was quite like, वो एक moment आपको मिलना चाहिए, because this is not working. Nothing is working in my body apart from this. And to convey those emotions through my eyes was quite tough. मैं इसके बारे में I'm not confident कि I have managed to portray those emotions in a correct way or not. Let people decide. I'm just confident about the film, not about myself. और जिस हिसाब से आर्या का ग्राफ जाता है फिल्म में, that is something to look out for. कि अब आगे क्या होगा आर्या के साथ. So let's see. वो I cannot say much about that. वो 27 अगस्त को ही पता चलेगा.
But are you somebody who sort of opted for method acting? I don't know.
मुझे पता भी नहीं था मेथड एक्टिंग क्या होती है. मुझे हितू सर ने बोला कि यार डोंट डू मेथड एक्टिंग. मेथड एक्टिंग इज समथिंग दैट यू फील एंड डू इट एट द वेरी पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट. तो मुझे तभी पता चला, अच्छा मैं मेथड एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ.
क्या व्हाट यू स्टॉप्ड ईटिंग?
या आई सॉर्ट ऑफ डिड इट फॉर लेवल 2. Just to feel the character, the laziness, not the laziness, but the character must be going through. कि उसने कुछ खाया नहीं होगा. She might have like कुछ पिया शायद होगा. I had to, because I have to survive shoot date तक. तो I was quite on a liquid diet for like 20-25 days. ताकि जो मसल मास है वो कम हो जाए, जो बॉडी जो है वो थोड़ी ड्रूपी हो जाए, एनर्जी जो है उसका लेवल पूरा डाउन हो जाए. बिकॉज आई फेल्ट that is the only way to achieve the body language of Arya after 12 years. कैसी होगी? That was the only way. Otherwise मैं ऐसे करके बैठूंगी और 1 मिनट ये हाथ में एनर्जी फील हो रही है तो ये शायद मुझे हैवी लगे या कुछ अलग दिखे. बट so I tried. Now let's see क्या होता है. I tried, I can say.
No, but kudos to you for that. So Janki, Vash was a game changer, for you. So was Shaitaan. When Shaitaan came your way, was there ever this thought in your head that I have already done this? Should I do this again?
सब कुछ इतना जल्दी हुआ कि मुझे सोचने का ही टाइम नहीं मिला कि अरे मैं करूँ ना करूँ. बिकॉज द वे इट वॉज लाइक आया, मुझे सबसे पहले हमारे डायरेक्टर का ही फ़ोन आया था कि दे आर मेकिंग इट इन हिंदी. आई वॉज हैप्पी. ओह वाह, हिंदी में बन रही है. आई डेंट नो हु इज़ गोइंग टू परफॉर्म हु और कौन मेरा कैरेक्टर करने वाला है. आई वॉज जस्ट वेरी हैप्पी कि वश एक रीजनल फिल्म जिसकी रीमेक होगी हिंदी में. आई वॉज हैप्पी.
Which means more people will watch it.
Yeah, and more people will get to know about Vash.
Right.
So I was happy about it. Or one day our director called me and he said, "Okay, listen, they are considering you for the role." I was like, what? Should I do it? How should I do it? मैं क्या करूँगी? He was like, "Are you mad? What are you saying? કરવાનું જોઈએ ને, go for it. કરવાનું જોઈએ ને, આમાં કંઈ બીજું ના વિચારવાનું હોય. તું ભાઈ કંઈ બીજું ના વિચાર, તું જા." I was like, okay sir, thank you for giving me such confidence. Confidence देने के लिए I said it in Gujarati, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
We get it. Yeah.
So thanks to him for giving me that confidence. And I went there, and the day like we began shooting for Shaitaan is the day I realized कि okay, I'm doing a Hindi film.
That was the day you realized.
That was the day I realized कि अच्छा ये कर रही हूँ मैं वैसा.
So can we say that Vash Level 2 is also going to translate to Shaitaan 2 maybe?
Might be, but in a different way, I think.
Yeah.
Let's hope for the best.
Absolutely. Now that I'm sure, Janki, Shaitaan opened doors, a lot of doors for you. I'm sure you're getting a lot of Hindi film offers now. Have you shifted base to Bombay?
Well, not yet, but definitely in coming time, I might shift to Bombay. So, yeah.
Yeah, that would be great. But no, what I was getting into is, you have been working, in the Gujarati film industry. That functions a certain way. Now that I'm sure you're giving auditions more often here, in the Hindi film industry, you're getting films, you're working here. Tell me that one striking difference that you have noticed here, which sort of took you a little aback.
The difference, that the one thing that took me aback is that if you are not there for the character, if you're not available on that particular day for that particular role, there are 100 more people who are available and they might grab your job.
So the competition
level is damn high here. It's very tough to survive.
Yeah. How are you dealing with it?
I don't know. I don't think about it that much. The only possible way I can deal with it right now.
Okay. That's a good thing. I think just going with the flow.
Yeah, I'm just going with the flow right now.
That's great. I heard in the last interview, you said that there was this beauty pageant that you were talking about, and you said that Rashmika Mandanna, who was doing so well for herself, you shared a room at that time.
Yeah, we did share the room.
What was your first impression of her?
She's the exact same person that she is right now, by the way. Yeah, the exact same person, the exact bubbliness, that energy that she has right now, she had it back then also. In 2014, I'm talking about.
Oh, this was more than 10 years back.
More than 10 years, 11 years ago, yeah. We were very young at that time.
Yeah, I can imagine. Are you in touch?
No, post that only, we lost touch, of course. It was a beauty show. We were there. We shared room for like 3 days max, and yeah.
Right.
So not that much, but she's the same person that we see right now.
Absolutely, right. I have to ask you this. I'm sure a lot of people have asked you, but that particular clip from IFA where you're receiving the award, from the man himself, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, that clip, of course, went viral in no time. And you are also going to meet him again very soon at the National Awards. How excited or nervous are you about that?
I'm just going to say one thing to Sir, that I know I don't want to say this, no. I'll say that to him personally. This is going to be our talk. I don't want to discuss it right now. But okay. That will be like quite an honor for me just to be there at the stage where Shah Rukh sir is there, Rani ma'am is there, and there are so much talented people that will surround me. So that is going to be a huge day for me that I will cherish for my life.
How sweet. You spoke about competition, Janki. what you said makes perfect sense, that if you are not available on a given day, there are 100 other people. You're basically easily replaceable, in the industry. I think the competition is even more, please correct me if I'm wrong, for somebody who's an outsider, quote unquote, in the sense that, in your age group, there are so many other actors working in the industry right now. Some of them, they come from a certain film lineage. Is that something you think about the competition in that aspect of life?
Yeah, there is some competition, but of course, if my father knows someone, then I might be a level up from the other person, which is very basic. It's not just it doesn't work in Bollywood only. It's there in every other business. That if you know someone, you can get a job there. So recommendation, nepotism is the word that you're talking about. It's there everywhere.
Yeah.
So today, if I become a huge star in future, of course my kids are going to be like unko wo cheez help karegi future mein. So this is there. So we have to accept it. Or competition hai. Because there are so many young talent nowadays who wants to become an actor.
Right.
Or they are there on Instagram, out there, working hard. And everyone is so damn talented that sometimes you feel, yaar, how can I ace this person? Abhi isse to sochna, abhi iske bare mein, I'm so sorry, I'm very bad at Hindi right now.
That's okay.
इसके बारे में अभी सोचना खत्म करते वहाँ एक नया कोई आ जाता है. So youngsters are like popping like this these days.
Yeah, I can imagine. Oh my God, yes. But what's next for you after Vash Level 2?
Soon, in I guess next year, my film might release, which I'm part of right now. I cannot discuss much about the film, but it's coming out soon in 2026.
Okay.
It's a Hindi film.
Are you talking about Mardaani? We'll talk about that later. But before I let you go, I'll ask you. Since this is you won your first national award, what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some questions to you about your firsts ever. Okay, so you have to quickly think and let me know.
I'll try.
These are basic questions. Okay. Your first paycheck.
Like the amount?
Or, yeah, maybe that.
Yeah, 5K.
That was for an acting assignment or something else?
No, it was not for an acting assignment. I got paid for it much later. But the very first thing that I got paid for was a modeling job, which I did for a salon. And they did pay me a cover. Yeah, this is your pay.
Listen, not bad, huh? Usually people pay in kind. Cash is better. Yeah, okay. Your first Bollywood crush.
It was Love Story 2050, Herman Babeja.
Oh my God,
I used to write his name.
Your face has become pink.
I used to write his name on the back of my book. Herman.
Really?
Yeah, I used to write his name.
Okay. The first time you realized that I think people know me now.
It was the very first day that Chowdhury was released. Friday the film got released and Sunday I'm at a like lorry or something. I'm eating something and a couple came to me and they said, "Are you the person who acted in Chowdhury?"
Oh, that soon.
Oh my God. I mean, the film got released just 2 days prior and they already know me. So what's your name? They clicked a selfie with me.
Arey wow.
Oh my, I mean, मैंने सुना था कि यार the film is doing really good.
हाँ.
But the buzz that film has created by Sunday, it was insane. It was insane. And still the buzz is there for Chowdhury. Still.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I agree with you. The first time a film made you cry that you remember?
There are many. First film I don't remember. But the last, I think, that made me cry was When Life Gives You Tangerine.
Oh, yes.
I cried like anything.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Anything. I mean, like, not just teardrops. I'm crying like...
Sobbing.
I was sobbing. I was actually sobbing.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I loved that series.
Yeah. Okay. All right. The first time you were starstruck?
Starstruck. So the very first star that I saw was, I think, Akshay sir in the same pageant in 2014 that we were part of. He was the judge there. So that was like, oh, how does he look? So that was like a starstruck moment for me.
Right.
For the very first time I saw an
A
actor
celebrity.
for real.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I can completely imagine. The last one, the first time you saw yourself on the big screen, what was your reaction like? Really?
I don't want to see myself.
What are you saying?
Yeah,
But you look so beautiful on screen.
That's really how sweet of you. Thank you. But the very मुझे पता था कि अब मेरी entry होगी, and it was like a dreamy entry, like a and proper like heroine entry, like I'm walking और मेरे बाल उड़ रहे हैं वैसे चिल्लू दिवस में, और मुझे पता था कि अब ये scene आएगा. In the moment that it was there on screen, I couldn't watch myself. I never watch myself on screen. I try to avoid as much as possible.
Really?
Yeah, I don't like.
No, that hasn't changed, Abhi.
No, it
Abhi
is not.
it's like that.
It is not.
So you watch your films just once?
Yeah, on the premiere.
That's a revelation. But, well, thank you so much, Janki. I'm looking forward to Vash Level 2. I'm sure there's a lot of interesting things in store, in the film for the audience to watch.
That's for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.